In this video, we'll guide you through how to fix no sound on an Android phone. This is super annoying. We've got multiple different methods you can try. So first of all, go and open your settings. Now tap on connection. Now tap on Bluetooth option. After you tap on Bluetooth, what you need to make sure is that you're not connected to a Bluetooth device which is trying to go and output the sound from. So I just go and turn off Bluetooth completely and go and see if that solves the problem. If it doesn't, don't worry. The next thing you want to do is go and click in sounds and vibration. Tap on sound and vibration and tap on volume option. After you tap on sounds and vibration, make sure that your device is always on sound. If this also doesn't solve the problem, go to volume option. Here you can increase or decrease the sound and try if that solves your problem. If none of these methods work, then try restarting your device by pressing your power button and tap on restart, and hopefully this will solve your problem. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.